Isa pang bituin ang nagpasya na panahon na para makamtan niya ang basbas ng simbahan. Sa lalong madaling panahon ay gusto nang humarap sa dambana ni Francis Magalona. Mismong si Francis ang nagpahayag ng kanyang intensyon na pakasalan na si Pia Arroyo.
I plan to get married next year. And I'll invite you guys. It's a small wedding lang in Mandaluyong. Maybe in Don Bosco or in the Archbishop's Palace. And
Tinuturing ang desisyon ni Francis bilang isa pang positibong hakbang sa kanyang buhay at sining. Nitong huling 2 taon ay mas nakilala si Francis sa pagyakap niya sa mga makabuluhang mga prinsipyo, katulad ng sa kalikasan at sa kinabukasan ng mga kabataan.
I said to myself, of course, I don't want to make the children, I want them to be legal. So, of course, marriage was always a strong value in my parents' teachings to me, and of course this is the priest of Don Bosco. I was approached by one of the priests and he said, Francis, lots of boys, they idolize you. The only thing is you're not married, and you have to set a good example. And I said to Father Miguel that I promise to live.
Samantala, wala nang hahanapin pa si Francis sa kanyang karir. Natutuwa nga siya at may puwang pa siya sa pelikulang Tagalog.